Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best baby toys is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your little one's development, as the right toys can spark curiosity, encourage problem solving, and foster essential motor skills during their critical first year. Imagine your baby's eyes lighting up with discovery as they interact with stimulating and age-appropriate playthings designed to grow with them, making every moment a learning opportunity and laying a strong foundation for future educational success. Number 5. LeapFrog Learning Friends 100 Words Book. Say hello to turtle, tiger, and monkey. They're here to help you discover over 100 essential words, carefully selected by learning experts. You'll explore exciting word categories like pets, animals, food, colors, and more. It's a fun way to expand your vocabulary. Simply touch the words on the pages to hear them, along with fun sound effects and interesting facts. You can even sing along to the theme song. Learn in both English and Spanish. This bilingual feature offers a complete language experience for young learners. Designed for little ones 18 months and up, it comes with batteries for immediate fun. Get ready for hours of educational play. What we like. This interactive book introduces over 100 words in both English and Spanish. If you are looking for a way to introduce your little one to a new language while building their vocabulary, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for parents who want a bilingual learning experience. What people say. The toy is designed with smooth edges and non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for little ones. It features multiple interactive buttons that light up and play different sounds, engaging the child's attention. The size is perfect for small hands to grasp and manipulate, promoting fine motor skill development. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable. It even has a built-in learning mat for educational play. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool designed for little ones. Watch them enjoy the cool water and fountain sprinklers for endless summer fun. Keep your children cool and safe during playtime. This shallow wading pool is parent-approved, BPA and phthalate-free, ensuring quality and peace of mind. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like. This is an educational water splash pad that makes learning a blast. If you want to keep your little one cool and engaged during hot weather while also reinforcing learning concepts, this is the perfect outdoor toy. It's ideal for babies and toddlers who love water play. What people say. The stacking cups are a great way to teach colors and numbers. The shape sorter is durable and the shapes are easy for little hands to grasp. The toy encourages fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Number 3. Carle Around the Farm 30-button Animal Sound Book. Embark on a delightful journey to the farm with this interactive sound book. It's designed to introduce your little one to the wonderful world of animals and their sounds. Discover a variety of farm animals, each with its own unique sound. Press the buttons to hear them come to life and learn their names. This book is a fantastic tool for building early vocabulary. It helps children associate sounds with words, making learning fun and engaging. With 30 different buttons, there are hours of interactive play. Your child will love pressing each one to explore the sights and sounds of the farm. Designed for young children, it's easy to hold and operate. The sturdy pages and engaging sounds make it a perfect first book. Brought to you by PI Kids, this book promises quality and educational entertainment. It's a wonderful addition to any child's library. What we like. This book features 30 buttons that play animal sounds and introduce first words. If your child is fascinated by animals and enjoys interactive books, this is a great option. It's perfect for encouraging early language development and a love for farm animals. What people say. The stacking cups are a great way to teach colors and numbers. The stacking cups are a great way to teach colors and numbers. The stacking cups are a great way to teach colors and numbers. Number 2. Crawling Crab Baby Toy. Introducing the Crawling Crab Baby Toy, designed for babies aged 6 to 12 months. This interactive toy is perfect for tummy time and encourages early development. It moves quickly, skittering sideways like a real crab, accompanied by fun sounds, music, and flashing lights. It's sure to capture your baby's attention. Equipped with smart sensors, it cleverly reverses direction when it encounters an obstacle. This keeps the play engaging and prevents it from getting stuck. Babies love watching it move during tummy time, motivating them to follow along. This helps strengthen their neck muscles and encourages head lifting. Its unique crawling motion will attract your little one to move towards it, aiding in the development of crawling and walking skills. It's a fun challenge to try and catch. This delightful toy isn't just for babies, it entertains pets and older kids too. It brings joy and laughter to the whole family with its interactive nature. Looking for a unique gift? This crawling crab is ideal for birthdays and holidays, promoting development and bringing smiles to little ones. What we like? This toy crab moves, lights up, and plays music, encouraging babies to crawl. If you have a little one who needs motivation to move during tummy time or to start crawling, this is an excellent choice. Its obstacle avoidance feature keeps the play engaging. What people say? The toy is designed with bright colors and different textures to stimulate a baby's senses. It features multiple interactive buttons that play different sounds and songs, encouraging auditory development. The toy also includes various shapes and puzzles that help improve fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Number 1. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board for Toddlers. Looking for a gift for a toddler aged 1 to 3? This magnetic drawing board is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any occasion. It offers great value and endless fun. This doodle board is more than just a toy, it's a learning tool. It helps develop creativity, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. Your child can even learn letters and numbers while playing. Designed with sturdy legs and a durable structure, this drawing board is built to last. The adjustable legs ensure a comfortable drawing experience for toddlers of different heights. Your child's safety is our priority. Made from non-toxic, BPA-free ABS material, it has no small parts and features rounded corners for safe play. Say goodbye to messy crayons and paper. This reusable doodle board allows for quick erasing and endless new creations. It's an eco-friendly way for toddlers to enjoy drawing. Watch as your child's imagination comes to life on this magnetic board. It provides a clean and engaging platform for artistic expression and educational exploration. What we like? This magnetic drawing board offers endless artistic creation without the mess. If you're looking for a way to foster creativity and fine motor skills without the worry of scattered crayons or markers, this is the ideal toy. It's perfect for toddlers who love to draw and doodle. What people say? The toy has a variety of textures and bright colors that engage a baby's senses. It encourages fine motor skills through its various buttons, knobs, and sliders. The music and light features are stimulating without being overwhelming for young children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.